Who's in the market for a classic? And we're not just talking about any classic here. We've just got this in this absolutely stunning EJ Taxi. Now, you've really got to stand back and have a look at this car. The amount of thousands of man-hours that have gone into rebuild this car is unbelievable. And he's gone to such detail, like this is all done properly in the way it used to be back in the day. The colour scheme's correct. You look inside, it's even got the old seat cover that the cabbies all used to wear back in the day, help their back put up hours and hours behind the driver's wheel. It's got the two-way radio, it's got the flag full fare meter. He's even got the little change dispenser up here on the driver's door. All the lights and everything work, and it is an absolute cracker. It's probably the best example I've seen in many, many years of an early model cab resto. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Mechanically, the old grey motor's as sweet as a nut. It fires up first time every time. Gearbox feels nice and firm, the brakes are good. He drove it down here from the North Coast. It is a ripper car. If you wanted something to promote a business, or you just wanted something different to turn up to the local Holden Day, I don't think you'd go past this. I reckon if this car was parked in this spot and there was a HQ Monaro parked next to it, this would get more looks. It is just that cool and that typical early 60s. It's well worth coming down to Grays at Pinkenba and having a look. So this comes up this month. So give us a call on 1300 Classic. If you want some more info, shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. Or as I said, pump down to 131 Main Beach Road, Pinkenba, and have a look at this old beauty in the flesh.